Hi, welcome to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on latest videos. Today, we will be creating some delicious creamy chicken with nuts. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for ingredients, we need boneless chicken cut into cubes, 1 kilogram yogurt, 250-gram boiled and crushed almonds, 12 PC oil as needed, dairy cream, 200-gram, white pepper, 2 tablespoons, ginger paste, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 4 cloves, poppy seeds, 3 tablespoon cashew nuts, 20 PCs, half for paste and half for garnish, and 4 type seeds, 50 grams. Marinate the chicken with salt, white pepper, half of yogurt, and ginger paste, and set aside. Make nut paste by crushing almonds, cashew nuts, 4 seeds, and poppy seeds in a blender. And now roast garlic in cooking pot. Then add chicken and cook it till all water's dried up. Now add oil and nut paste and green chilies along with cream and cook on low flame till chicken is done through and oil starts showing up on sides. Garnish with chopped almonds and green chilies, cashew nuts, and serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at HungryGorilla9. We will be back with more delectable, yummy recipes in the next video. See you later.